In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove Google Bar on Google Pixel phone. It's a very easy method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on literally any Google Pixel phone you have, but also any Android phone you have as well. Now, most phones will just have a Google search bar on your home screen or on one of your pages. As you can see, I have a Google Chrome one and a normal Google one. If I want to move it, I can just long press on it and move it up and down, left to right, like different pages or anything like that. But let's say I want to completely remove it from my home page. All I got to do is go ahead and click on it. Then I'm going to see the remove button. As you can see, it's literally that simple. It just instantly gets removed. And if I want to bring it back, all I got to do is press widgets. And then I can just go ahead and find Google, for example. Go ahead and click on it. And then I'm going to see the search bar, press add, and now it's here. Now I can, if I want to move it to the same page that I was on, just go ahead and move it leftwards, and then I can move it to wherever I want. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.